Guys, in this look I'm doing one of my old school, traditional, colorful MAC looks using mostly MAC products. All MAC eyeshadows, MAC lippy. I think those are the only MAC products I use. Face products came from elsewhere. But yeah, if you guys would like to see how I achieve the look, keep watching. Taking my Too Faced Shadow Insurance as a primer all over the eye, and I'm in a hurry. I'm usually in a hurry these days. Just can't seem to get started right away. I'm actually headed to a MAC meeting. I don't work there anymore. It's more for the PR side. I'm meeting the PR director, so I want to make sure my makeup is on point. And sadly, I don't have enough time, but we're gonna make the most of it. So I have my MAC oranges and yellows palette in here. Plenty of colors. I think for the crease, I'm gonna take something pretty bold. I'm gonna take yellow, actually. This is chrome yellow. I have no idea if any of these colors are still available. This is just what I'm going to be using. I apologize if they're not available anymore. I really do. I'm taking a fluffy crease brush, just a MAC 224. I'm applying this directly into the crease. I'm applying it pretty heavily too, so. This is not the original look I wanted to do, but based on my outfit, this is what's gonna work the best. For the lid, I'm gonna go a little darker. I'm gonna use a teal. I'm gonna use this color called Steamy first. Use that first. And I'm going in with a flat brush with that. The one I'm using is from Sedona Lace, but you can take any flat brush you own. I'm brushing this across the lid, halfway. I'm gonna sweep this one farther up just because I want it a little higher up than I want it to. It's all good though, so I can fix it later. I brushed it on my pants. Okay, for the outer V, I'm taking an even darker color. I'm gonna use Plumage, or Plumage, this color here, that color there. It's just a really dark teal. It's not super dark, but it's pretty dark. I'm applying this on the outer V. I'm gonna dig my brush in there just because this color pretty much requires that. And I'm taking some of this and sweeping across into the crease. For the inner tear duct, I'm taking a really light matte color. This is called Aqua. Looks like that. I'm actually going to use that same brush, the big fluffy one. I'm putting this in the tear duct. I've been loving doing this lately, applying matte, vibrant colors in the tear duct. I don't know, I just like the appearance that it gives. I'm going to use this color called Samoa Silk. This is not the appropriate brush, but you just want to apply it as a brow highlight. You can use anything you want. You can go brighter if you want, but I kind of want the focus to be on the colors rather than, you know, an intense brow highlight. I'm going to do lower lash line now for that. I'm going to take, no, I was going to take this, but I changed my mind. I'm using the ColourPop Cream Jaw Liner and Vaseline. It's a dark teal. It's kind of keeping that same theme of colors going. Looks like that. Waterline and lower lash line is where I'm putting this. Over that, I'm gonna go in. This is a MAC 219. It's a really pointy brush. I'm going in with that plumage, the darker teal I used in the outer V. And I'm just going to make sure this is set so it doesn't budge. I'm gonna smudge it below. I'm gonna go into a little more of that aqua color and just merge in with the darker color at the bottom. This is the NYX Epic Ink Eyeliner in black. I really use nothing else, so we're gonna go with this. I love other brands now. I know back when I started YouTube, I used to always wear MAC. And I still, you know, wear other brands a lot more now. But man, it's just something about going back to MAC eyeshadows. Liner's done. I'm gonna go ahead and do concealer at the bottom. I'm gonna use my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Dark 40. And I'm just gonna touch back up around those corners. with my pointier brush because I do want a high concentration of color. And just make sure your concealer is blended out nice, but you can always go back with your foundation brush later. For now, I'm gonna go ahead and do mascara. This is the Clinique High Impact Lash Elevating Mascara. I'm just applying this. Now I'm gonna apply some fun lashes. I'm just using my Allure Faux Mink Wispies. I'm gonna use these 50 times, or as many times as it lasts. I've worn them so many times now, and they are still holding up. So as long as they last, as long as I'm gonna use them. So these are actually magnetic, but I'm going to glue them on, just because I like the strong hold. I don't have a problem, you know, waiting on glue to dry. I'm used to it already, so it doesn't hurt me to wait. I understand if you're new and, you know, new to applying lashes and you want something easy, totally understandable. I'm gonna go ahead and apply foundation while I wait. I have the Bare Minerals Made to Fit Fresh Face Liquid Foundation. Just shaking it up, playing with the cheap old foundation brush, nothing special in particular. I'm going to take the Strobe Glow Luster Dust from ColourPop. I'm dumping, whoa, way too much. I'm dumping some into my lid. This is just a cheap old angled brush from somewhere or another, from some gift set. I have hair everywhere. I'm about to throw it away. I don't have patience for brushes this shade. I really don't. I'm using ColourPop Prenup Super Shock Chic. Super Shock Chic. Okay, that's never happened. My blush got stuck in the lid. That was destroyed. Okay, this is it. Not destroyed though. I'm taking a MAC 116 for blush. The lips, I'm definitely going nude. I could do color if I wanted, but I actually might do color. I mean, why not? So the lip color I have is kind of destroyed. I think one of my friends made a sample of this. This is Riri Boy. This is old school, I'm telling you. It was in the MAC Rihanna collection. This is a nice plum color. Hope you guys enjoyed this look. Wearing this look to my meeting. I'm meeting the director of PR, so this is pretty exciting. He's flying down to Dallas. Well, he's already here, I think. And I have to be there very soon. So please rate the video, thumb the video up if you liked it. Hopefully you did. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn your post notifications on. Talk to you soon. Thank you for watching.